Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to work an SSP decrease. SSP stands for Slip Slip Purl, so as you can already tell from the name, it is very similar to Slip Slip Knit. When we purl two stitches together, the decrease leans to the right. If we use an SSP decrease, the decrease leans to the left. First work until you get to the place where you want to decrease. Now slip one stitch as if to knit, but with the yarn in front of the work. Slip another stitch as if to knit with the yarn in front of the work. Now just put them back onto the left needle and purl them together. Again, slip two stitches knitwise, one after another with the yarn in front of the work. Put them back onto the left needle and purl them together. I will show you a few more times. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.